This one is pretty obvious to us. The next one is not so obvious. And it sounds like this. He labeled it recognition of need to change. Now, I want you to think for a second. This is obvious, things we would say that aren't very supportive. This is also not supportive, but what do you think this would sound like different than this?
I know I need to, but I should.
Okay. Hold on to that one. We're going to play with that one in a little bit. I should. Why did you say that, Ashley?
Because if you recognize you need to do something, you're telling yourself, I should do this, but you don't want to yet.
How many times have you told somebody, yeah, we should go out to eat? Does that ever happen?
When someone says that, you know they're not your friend.
You know, yeah.
You've never seen
We should get together and go rock climbing or go biking. Yeah, it ain't going to happen.
What about if it's the I shouldn't?
Yeah, same thing. I shouldn't have this bag of chocolate chip cookies or chocolate chips. Just go for the straight gold. Another one that falls into this is I'll try. Now, why is that? Remember Yoda? What did Yoda say? Do or don't it. Do or do not. There is no try. What does he mean by that?
So you get stuck in the
You're a pretty strong guy. I want you to try and pick that up. Okay, that's picking it up. That's not picking it up. That's picking it up. Try to pick it up. See that we don't know what to do with should, and we don't know what to do with try. At a subconscious level, those words don't make any sense to us. It's not happening, even though it feels good for us to say, yeah, I'll try to do that. Subconscious goes, yeah, I don't think so. That doesn't make sense to me. Try. Just like, his face was like, you could tell that was a confusing concept to try something. So when Yoda said, do or do not, there is no try, he's saying, at the subconscious level, it doesn't make any sense. Okay? So what we want to do, I remember I was at this speech. I don't know if I told you this or already, but I was at this speech and this lady was talking about this sort of thing, and she says, we have got to stop shooting all over ourselves. You get the idea. Doesn't help. It doesn't empower us. It doesn't move us. It doesn't create outcomes that we want to give our subconscious to do. The next that makes sense, yes? Okay, the next level up is decision to change. And in this case, this uses words like, and this is interesting, and you tell me why. The highest one is a new us, or something like that. Okay, let's go with this one first, because this is the most obvious. What is this? If this is I can't, I won't, what are these going to be? I can, I do, most powerful one, I am. If you look at the bar and you say, I can do this today, does the likelihood increase that you do with that single thought? Yeah, I mean, I run a lot and I bike a lot, and there's this hill where I live. It's a biking and hike and a running trail that I go up. And there's one little section where I hit these, there's woods, and if I'm on my bike, I rarely make it through it without, having to get off. Because it's really technical, and it's up, and it's right after this long section of up. So my legs are thrashed anyway, and then I hit this little section of trees, and there's big boulders that I have to go around or over. If in my mind I'm anywhere close to this, I don't make it. But I've noticed, if this is my self-talk as I'm on the way to it, most of the time I make it.